Hey guys, welcome back once again. I am Anikita and today I am talking about the life after BTech. What's the next? If you are a final year student and if you are already graduated in a BTech degree, then this video is really very helpful for all of you guys. So I am going to talking about the life after BTech. I am already completed my BTech degree in the last month, and today I am share something opportunity, some six way to they have the opportunity after the BTech, and these six ways really very helpful for getting your success and getting and grow in your for your future. Then let's me share this all of you guys. So in a first way is get a job. If you want to getting a job in a software company as a software engineer, then you simply prepare for the coding and can build a communication skill effectively. Because it's really very helpful guys. If you doesn't have any skills, then you can't be able to getting a job in a software company. Please build your skill and like coding skill, communication skill, that is really very helpful in a placement cell. And second way, if you not interested in going a software company and not like work as a software engineer, then you simply prepare for the GATE exam. It's really very helpful if you want to doing higher study in a top institute like IITs and IIS. Then GATE exam is really very biggest opportunity to go there and take an admission after write this exam. If you clear this exam with a higher score, that is really very good. And if you clear this exam like a top higher score and taken a like a top rank from this exam, after this exam, then you simply go in a PSUs and work like a government officer. So this is really very good. I'm also preparing for the GATE exam because I am not interested in going as a in a software company and work as a software engineer. So I am preparing for the GATE exam. And third way is like a higher study. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज कि आप गेट के थ्रू भी आप हायर स्टडी कर सकते हैं, बट थर्ड वे आपका हायर स्टडी ही है. इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक एन हायर स्टडी इन लाइक ए MCA, MBA and MTech from a private college, then you simply go and take an admission from there. So it's the third way. And the fourth way is the really very helpful if you want to interested in a like a government exams. Government exams, if you want to work as a railway in a SSC, then these exams really very good. like a आप अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हैं या गवर्नमेंट सर्वर बनना चाहते हैं सर्वेंट, तो इट्स रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल. टेक लाइक राइट दीज एग्जाम. SSC हुई, रेलवे हुई एंड अदर एग्जाम्स हुई. सो these fourth way. And right now I am share the fifth way. It's really very helpful. And you I'm telling you this fifth way, freelancing. इफ़ यू कि आप किसी के अंडर कुछ काम नहीं करना चाहते, इफ़ यू डजेंट वांट एनी डूइंग एनी वर्क अंडर एनी अदर सुपरविजन, देन यू सिंपली लाइक create an account on a freelancing and work as a freelancer. And sixth and the last one is work and start your own project and build your startup earlier. If you build your own startup, is really very helpful if you have money, because money is important. If you sometime if you lose in your startup, then money is required in that time. But right now you still take an idea, build a idea and build your startup earlier. If you want this and take a like a business is really very good, all of you guys. So now I'm telling you the what's the conclusion इन सिक्स्थ वे का कंक्लूजन क्या है कि अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो इन सिक्स्थ वे में भी कि आप गेट एग्जाम भी नहीं लिखना चाहते, आप गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम भी नहीं लिखना चाहिए, यू डजेंट वांट टू गो इन ए सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी एज ए सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर एंड यू डजेंट वांट ए फ्रीलांसर इफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. So what's the conclusion of this? What's the better for you, all of you guys, if you are not able to decide it ki what's the better after the BTech and after like a fourth year. So personally I am telling you this guys ki no perfect plan and no single perfect path. परफेक्ट नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है, खुद को बिल्ड करना पड़ता है, खुद को बनाना पड़ता है. यू जस्ट बिल्ड बाय योर सेल्फ, डोंट बी थिंकिंग अबाउट एंड डोंट बी वर्क जो अलग जो कोई और आपसे बोलता है कि यू डू दिस वर्क बिकॉज इट्स रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल. प्लीज़ डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम टू लाइक कि जो आपको कोई और बोल रहा है. डोंट वर्क ऑन दैट. थिंकिंग by yourself, take an action by yourself and not depending by others. So no single path, perfect path. And second cheese is like a best option क्या है, what's the best option after the BTech. So बेस्ट ऑप्शन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन डिपेंडिंग रियली वेरी ह्यू your interest, your skills, your goals. What's your goals? What's your have any skill? It's really simply all these things are really depending on your interested. If you are interested in go in a software company as a software engineer, then you simply go there. If you want to take a higher admission, I mean take an admission in a higher institute, then you simply write the GATE exam. So it's really very depending on your interested, your skill and what's your goals. It's really very important, all of you guys. Choose, but I personally suggest you guys choose a path that match your passion. जो आपका पैशन है उसको मैच करे ऐसा पाथ आप चॉइस करो एंड कीप लर्निंग कंटिन्यूसली. आप लगातार जब करोगे इट्स रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल. आई नो मैं मानती हूँ कि मैं रेगुलरली वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ बट नो वन वॉच माई वीडियोज. आई नो बट व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट आफ्टर BTech? I'm already completed my BTech degree, so I'm really very interested to making the video because my passion. I doesn't want any viewers because if I true, my thought is true, my thought is right, then everyone watching this without any filter, without any editing. I am not edit these videos because I have a skill to edit the videos but I doesn't want to edit the video. Personally suggest you guys, I doesn't want जैसा है वैसा दिखना चाहिए. इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो एडिट करने से कुछ होता नहीं है वैसे मानते हैं. आई नो मैं बिलीव भी करती हूँ कि जो दिखता है वही बिकता है बट कब तक. इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस. Your thoughts is matter by yourself in your career. Please think by yourself. What's the best perfect path for you? And choose by yourself. And what's the your interested? What's your goal? What's you want to becoming after a BTech? And you in a other. But I mean in a other sector, then you simply after your degree. So please thinking about this. And if you found this video is really very helpful, then please subscribe this channel, share this channel, like, and if you have any suggestion for me guys, then simply write in a comment box, because कमेंट करोगे तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि मेरी वीडियो व्यूअर्स को कैसी लग रही है. इस कमेंट में अगर आप कुछ भी लिखते हो सजेशन के लिए, इफ़ यू वांट एनी टॉपिक ऑन if you want any video in a topic, then please suggest me guys, because I'm a beginner. I doesn't have any skill to showing on a front of camera. I just build myself on a front of camera and explain every thoughts which I already जो जी चुके हैं इंसान, जो मैं देख चुकी हूँ, जो मैं जानती हूँ, वो आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस ऑन अ फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइस. सो this video all about the life after BTech, because BTech के बाद I completed my 1 month, only 1 month, and I just feel was the life after BTech. I know everything. So please support me guys if you're watching this video till the end, and if you have any suggestion for this video and for me also, then please write in a comment box. Your comment is really very matter for me and for my future guidance. So bye bye everyone, and thanks for watching this video till the end.